morning guys. So today finally we have some members suggesting for TT, but then it's a wet morning, but we are still very semangat enough to come. Currently there are 4 of us already. So today we are not going to our routine Genting run, but we are going for morning coffee at Janda Baik. So now we just wait for others to show up, and then we will go.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we are leaving. There are 5 of us, and they have decided we're not going to wait, so just jalan first, and then we have told the rest if they are coming to join us, just meet us at Kopi and Craft at Janda Baik. So this is going to be a chillax drive. And it's a slippery morning. It's good to have TT back with my fellow 1 Series members and kaki. So that's Hakim in front of me. The Blue Suprema S 1 Series. So this is another good opportunity for me to try out the GT Sport S2 on a wet road condition. As I said before, it handles very good under wet road conditions and under normal driving conditions. So yeah, you can feel the safetiness, and it handles aquaplaning very well too. That's Adrian in front of us. So we are here at this Copy and Craft. Very quiet, peaceful, serene place. Janda Baik, fresh air. RFID lekat sini boleh jadi ke?
My house near.
Oh. I ingat at the bumper also can read ah.
Mine is the third one is on the headlight lah.
So we are here to make those who cannot join us regret. This is Copy and Craft. See, so nice place and you guys don't want to join us. Nah, boya darat tu. Come, let's go for coffee and breakfast. Oh, so here's the counter to order.
You can order by the table.
Oh, okay, sure.
Somebody else.
Layan diri. Actually, outdoor also quite nice since the rain also stopped already.
Outdoor or indoor?
But not enough table for everyone lah.
Indoor.
Yeah, we sit here lah. Bigger table for everyone.
I don't miss it. I like to sleep.
Ada nampak.